Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamice McPherson. Thank you for coming back to watch another video. We're going to dedicate this year to using things that we spend money on because guess what? Money does not grow on trees. And I have this lovely mic right here, you guys. I've had this mic now for maybe 3, 4, 5 years and I've never used it. But I was like, I'm going to use this mic today. I haven't really been liking my audio on my videos, so hopefully this mic is a little better. How the sound is, hopefully it's not bad. First, I want to quickly talk to you guys about, for me, what does showing up as her look like. And again, this may look completely different for anybody else, but I know for me, in order for me to show up as her, I want to look my best, feel my best, have a purpose. I just want to overall be happy in all aspects of my life. So again, that's what it means for me to show up as her. Some time to get here. I'm not gonna lie, it took me some time to get here because I was not always a happy person. I do feel like sometimes people would like look at me and think like, oh my God, her life is so perfect. Like, oh my God, she's always traveling. But there was, maybe like there were like two times in my life where I really felt like people just they didn't see like the bad side. They didn't see the bad stuff. They didn't see like, me crying or me going through everything I went through or whatever the case may be. But I'm kind of rambling now, but I just want you guys to know to give people grace. Never know what people are going through, what they're thinking. So everything that looks great sometimes may not be great. Sometimes it may be great. Never know. But yeah, just give people grace, you guys. Give people grace. I had some trouble like figuring out what I should call this video, but I'm gonna just say these are the things that I do to show up as her. And the things I do may look completely different for everybody else, but these are things I've been doing and they've been working for me. So if you want to see what those things are, then just keep on watching. First, let me just fix my lips. There's literally nothing wrong with my lips. I'm just like super extra. All right, good. I keep looking down. I'm looking at my phone to just look at my notes to make sure like I'm staying on track and on topic. First things first, for me, I love to be active. And that could just either be going on a walk, going to the gym, doing anything to where I'm constantly moving my body. So one of my favorite hobbies right now is spin class. You guys, I love spin class. I've been going to spin class consistently since January and it's now August, and I can officially say I am a spin girly. I used to go to like a spin, like a cycle bar, and it was okay, but I was paying like $20 a ride, and I was like, I have a membership for a gym. I'm pretty sure they have classes. They offer classes. So I started taking the spin classes back in January, and I would sit in the back of the class, and there's a lady in my class named Jen. I used to always see her sitting up front just going hard. And so one day I was like, "Oh my God, like I want to be like her. Like I want to be in the front row of the class." And here I am. We're now in August, and I literally, you guys, sit in the front row, dead smack in the middle. And like Jen's up there, Antonio's up there, and Tia's up there, and they're like pushing us. And I really feel like spin class has just really allowed me to push myself in anything I can do. I also attended a spinathon where we got on the bikes around like 9, and then I think I was like 7th or 8th place. I got off the bike at 2:45. 2:45. And I never thought I could push myself that hard to be on a spin bike. So the next thing right now I have on my list as far as being active, I am doing my first 5K run. I am not a runner. I hate running. So this should be interesting. So I'm excited about that. I got to get me some running shoes because I don't own any running shoes. So I'm excited about that. And a few other things I want to do to stay active. I want to like take a tennis class. I kind of want to get into golf a little bit. I just want to do like things and find new hobbies that like consist of me just going to the gym, because sometimes it can get kind of boring, it can get kind of boring. But yeah, those are some of the things I like to do to stay active. Next on our list is waking up early, being an early bird. I know some people do not like to wake up early, but me personally, I have to wake up early. It doesn't matter what time I go to sleep, I am going to always get up early. I used to get up around like 5:45, but now I'm starting to get up around like 6:37, which is okay, but I want to get back to my routine of getting up around at least 5:30, 5:15. And people are always like, "Why are you up so early?" And I'm like, I feel like when you wake up early, you have a lot more time to get things done. And I just feel good when I wake up early. I feel like when I used to be that girl that woke up at like 12, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, I felt very sluggish and literally the whole day was gone. You struggle with, well, if you want to be a person that wakes up early, I definitely would say don't start off at just like 5. Definitely try to do at least like 6:30, 6:45. And once you get in the routine of doing that, then I would start doing like 5:45, 5:30. It just depends on like your schedule, what do you have going on. But me also, when it comes to being active, I have to work out early in the morning. I have to go to the gym early in the morning. So that's why I personally enjoy waking up early, and you just feel good about yourself when you wake up early. So, and yes, I like my coffee light skin. Mind your business. Mind your business, okay? That'll do it. When it comes to waking up early, I just overall feel really good about myself. I feel like I can literally take over the whole day. And yeah, that's why I like to wake up early. Another thing that I really like to do to show up as her is always looking my best at all times. And I know sometimes we fall off, it's okay. I'm not dressed up all the time, I'm not wearing makeup all the time. But for the most part, I always strive to look my best. One, because you never know who you're gonna run into. You may be dressed up one day and get like an offer to be an assistant for a multi-million dollar company or something. Like you just don't know. You don't know who you're going to run into. You just don't know. And I've realized when I look my best, people are a lot nicer to me. And not to toot my own horn, but I kind of get what I want when I'm like dressed up. I don't know. I don't know why that is. Why I do know why that is. But like I said, when you look good, you feel good, okay? And I made a video about this maybe about 2 or 3 years ago. But for me personally, I cannot show up as her or show up as the best version of myself in the house with a bonnet on, leaving the house with pajamas on, leaving the house with house shoes on. That's just me personally. I've never been that girl. If that's what you like to do, kudos to you. But me personally, I don't, I don't do that. When I'm dressed up nice, when I'm put together, like I said, I feel good, and people are a lot nicer to me. Always have to like leave your house with heels on, a nice dress. It's just about looking put together, you know? So even if it takes you an extra 30 minutes to get yourself together because you want to look good and feel good, take that extra 30 minutes. Sometimes it will take me 45 minutes to an hour to do my makeup. You know what I do? I get up like sometimes an hour earlier just to do my makeup. Again, when you look good, you feel good, and people are a lot nicer to you. Another thing for me right now that I am actually trying to work on is reading. And I know you guys are like, reading? Like, what? Like, what does reading have to do with showing up as her? Well, for me, I was in elementary school. I used to hate reading. I remember the teachers would like call me to read. I would stutter, the kids would laugh, and I just hated reading. And now that I'm older, I am learning that it's really important to read to get your mind flowing. Me personally, guys, I spend a lot of time on this, not enough time reading. And I do want to, start expanding my vocabulary, speaking more fluently. And I do feel like when you're always just scrolling, it kind of makes it hard to do that. So I'm trying to definitely get into reading more. I thought about joining a book club, but I don't think I have the time right now to join a book club because, I'll be booked and busy or whatever. I don't think I have time to join a book club, but I am open to taking recommendations on some books you guys are reading. Leave them down below in the comments. A few books in mind that I want to check out. So I'm very interested to see the books that you guys are reading. Always speaking positivity into your life. Very big on always speaking very highly of yourself. Always speaking positivity into your life. Meaning anything that you want, you will get. If you want a Range Rover, tell yourself, I'm going to get this Range Rover. I cannot wait till I drive off the parking lot in this Range Rover. Or even like writing things down. For me, I love to write things down. I don't care if you guys think whatever you're asking for is too big. Nothing is too big. Nothing is ever too much money, too big. You're going to get it. If you want it, you're going to get it. And you have to speak positivity into your life in order to get those things. When you're constantly like doubting yourself, like, oh my God, that's so expensive. Oh my God, I'm never going to get this. It's like your mind will start to believe that. And we don't want that, sis. I want you to get everything that you want in life. So, again, start writing things down, speaking things into existence. You will, I can, I can't wait. Affirmations are, write those down, and we're going to all get what we want, okay? And I want to add on real quick to this. When you want to speak positivity into your life, I do want to add this in really quick. When it comes to speaking positivity in your life, also make sure that you're surrounded by positive people. I do feel like sometimes you may think so highly of something like I'm going to get this, but you're always going to have that one person maybe in your circle, friends, family that's like, you're not going to get that. Like, girl, that's too much, or that's and this is that. But you have to kind of honestly let go of those people. And I know it sucks to suck, but sometimes everybody cannot go where you're going. And that's just the honest God truth. So definitely always speak positivity into your life. Another thing for me is being intentional with everything in my life. Whether that be being intentional with your relationships, your friendships, or whatever it is in your life. I do think everybody should do this. We should all look at the people in our life, right? And you should ask yourself, do these people bring me peace? Can I learn from these people? If the people around you are starting to bring chaos and drama to your life, and it just seems like it's always something, it's definitely time to let those people go, because those people definitely will hold you back. It may not feel like it may not seem like it, but they will hold you back. And from here on out, girl, we are only surround ourselves with positive, genuine, happy people. So please be intentional with everything in your life. And even for relationships, if you know that you want to be a wife one day, date someone who wants to get married. If this person doesn't want to get married, right? Why do you want to date them? Why do you want to be with them if you know you want to be a wife? And that's why it's important to be intentional with everything in your life, okay? Because I know for me, I don't know about y'all, but I want to be somebody's fine wife, okay? Fine wife. Be intentional with everything in your life. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you learned some things. Let's chat in the comments down below, because you guys know I'm going to always respond to your comments, okay? I may be a few days late, but I'm always going to respond, okay? So yeah, make sure you guys leave me some comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.